Hey guys, good to see you again. I heard today that something new is opening at Universal Studios, so I thought maybe we'd go inside and check it out. But before we begin, we publish theme park videos on this channel all the time. So hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you'll know when another video is ready for you to view. So what brings me here today? Not the Blues Brothers, but behind me you can see the Today Show Cafe. It is now open. They're having a special pass holder preview at 5 p.m. So that's what we're gonna check out today. So yeah, the walls are down. It's ready to go. We just need some time to go by. So what I think I'm going to do today is I'm gonna walk around, I'm gonna search for like a good snack under $10. If you've seen enough of my videos, in fact a recent video, it kills me that I cannot get a hot dog for under $10. So I'm curious, what is a good snack they have in the park for under $10? I've done no research on this. We're just gonna walk around and try to figure it out. So when we first get in the park, in fact, right across the street from the Today Cafe, here is this snack stand right here. Let's see what they offer and see if we can find anything good for under $10. Now I'm looking for like a more hearty type of snack. So I'm not gonna count chips. And I don't think I'm gonna count the churro because that's more of a treat. But the pretzel with cheese sauce, I will count that as a snack. And we can get that for $6.59, so under $10. And it will tide us over till we can get to a meal, which is what a snack is supposed to do. So that is sort of the loose criteria I'm having today. It's gotta be kind of filling enough to hold us over till we get to an actual meal. Like I said, churros, more of a treat than a snack. I'm counting the pretzel though. The pretzel is a snack you can get here for under $10. So now, let's just make our way around the park looking for snacks. Here we have Schwabs. It is an ice cream place. Everything in here is under $10. But it's ice cream. I consider that a treat, not a snack. I'm not gonna count this as my snack hunt, but if you want an ice cream for under $10, including the Dole Whip, check out Schwab's here. Yeah, like I said earlier, at least I think I said, this is not something I researched. Normally I would research this. This is kind of a spur of the moment thing for me, as I just came here for the Today Cafe, but it's not gonna be open for a couple hours. I just came up with this idea. Let's just walk around looking for these snacks. Hopefully it works out. Betty Boop, love ya. Now I'm mainly looking at little snack huts, little snack shacks, not inline restaurants, but just to let you know, at Mel's Drive-In, if you wanted to get some type of fries or onion rings, you can get those for under $6. See, this is the type of place I'm looking for, these little snack shacks. Here, the only thing under $10 is that pretzel again for $6.59. They have a smoked turkey leg, but that's like $15. I'm looking for under $10 items. Now, across the way from the Cafe La Bamba Snack Shack is the Lemon Slushy Snack Shack. Now, they do have snacks here at the Lemon Shack, but it's a foot-long corn dog for $11. And you see, that's my issue. I'm trying to find something like a corn dog, a hot dog, some type of substantial snack like that for under $10. That's the quest we're on today. Kids Own Pizza Company, never open. The only time I see this open is during Halloween Horror Nights. Near the E.T. Adventure Ride is Dippin' Dots, but that is a treat, not a snack. Maybe we'll have some luck if we head into Springfield. Well, before we even get into Springfield, there is Expo Eats, where again, you can get that pretzel with cheese sauce for $6.59 and the turkey leg for $14.49. We have success in Springfield at Bumblebee Man's Taco Truck for $9.99, and the last time I checked, that is under $10. We can get 2 tacos. This is truly a snack we can have for under $10. I knew Springfield would come through. And to be quite honest, I love the carne asada tacos they have here. It's a must buy, a great value for under $10. Ah, controversy. At Lard Lads, we can get the big pink donut for under $10, $7.49. I know you guys are gonna say, hey Rick, this is a treat. But my channel, my rules, it's a snack. This qualifies as a good snack under $10. Well, we have success at Lisa's Tea House of Horror. We can get 2 items for under $10. You can get a fruit platter and a veggie sandwich for under $10. So success there. And I have a big surprise. Let me get outside and tell you about it. So here is the big news as far as I'm concerned. Inside of Krusty Burger, you can get a heat lamp hot dog for $9.49. So there, I can finally have a hot dog for under $10 in a theme park. This is big news for me, and hopefully you too. I mean, I'm so excited for this news, I feel like I could just quit right now. Just go wait in front of the Today Cafe for the opening. But I guess for you guys, I'll go ahead and I'll continue around the park documenting snacks for under $10. FYI, if you are interested in the Big Pink Donut, you don't have to get it at Lard Lads. It is also inside the Quickie Mart. Now this other hot dog stand closer to the Simpsons ride, bigger hot dogs, bigger price tag, almost $12 for this hot dog. So just stay tuned. We're going to get back to the Today Cafe in just a moment. But coming up, I have one of the best snacks in the park. So right here in London, just as we look at Creature's window, we pan over here and we see the hut for the jacket potato. And at $8.79, this is one of the best snacks in the park. I'm telling you, it's a pass holder favorite. Yes, this is a total Rick's Flix recommendation. The jacket potato here at this little green hut right here in London. I don't know how the British feel about it. Maybe it's like a basic little simple thing for them, but here as pass holders, we really, really love the jacket potato. And at $8, just over $8, come on, that is a good deal. So inside of Diagon Alley at the Hopping Pot, beef pasties for like $9.58. Another good snack for under $10. Nikki really loves these. Inside the Leaky Cauldron, which is a restaurant, of course, going to have entrees, not really snacks. So unless you're considering like a kid meal, which will be under $10 as a snack, then I would avoid the Leaky Cauldron. Well, Diagon Alley and London were a hit for snacks. You got the jacket potato for under $10, and then you also have beef pasties, beef pasties, under $10. Yes, this place is a winner for snacks. Okay guys, let's keep strolling around the park, though I don't think we're going to find anything better than what we found in London and Diagon Alley. But we'll just make our way around. We'll see if we can find anything comparable. Good snacks under $10. Let's keep an eye open for that. I haven't gone in there yet, but let's check out the San Francisco Pastry Company, see what they have to offer. Oh no, this is not the place for an under $10 snack. Back outside. So over here at Chez Alcatraz by Jaws over here, they do have like a snack menu, but there's no prices listed. And I'm not gonna wait in line just to check on prices, so looks like some of these could possibly be under $10, not too badly priced. Just so that you know, most of these snack shacks that you see here, they are gonna have that pretzel with cheese sauce for whatever, you know, under $10. And usually they might have like a hot dog or something, or a corn dog, but that's gonna be over $10. So yeah, pretty much any one of these you encounter, they will have those couple of options for you, even churros. Well, here is a place for snacks for sure. Starbucks coffee. All their sandwiches, all their paninis, everything like that, their breakfast sandwiches, classic sandwiches, all of them are going to be under $10. The Starbucks is located in Old New York, right across the street from Louie's Pizza, my favorite pizza. And speaking of Louie's, a jumbo slice of cheese pizza, $9.99, which according to my math, under $10. That's not a snack, that's a meal for under $10. And you know what? I do consider Auntie Anne's to be a terrific snack. I love the pretzels, whether it's a solid pretzel, a whole pretzel, or they're in the cups. This qualifies because they are under $10. I count it. But for real guys, do you know what they should have put on that corner instead of Auntie Anne's? They should have put a Kowalski's Bakery, you know, from Fantastic Beasts. That would have been a perfect spot for that. Come on, oh, I would have loved that. Across the street from Jimmy Fallon is another one of these food and drink snack shacks. They have pizza too. They have jumbo pizza, but their jumbo slice of cheese pizza is $12.49. Louie's is $9.99. Skip this place, go to Louie's. That's pretty bogus. I bet you anything, the pizzas they get here, they bring over from Louie's, but they charge more here. Okay, let's see if I can triangulate this. Over here, we have a snack shack where you can get that typical pretzel for like $6.59. Over there by the Monsters, they have a Bavarian pretzel with cheese sauce, a little more like $8.49. And then if we pan over here, this snack shack by Rip Ride Rocket, nothing under $10. I mean, they do have that corn dog for $10.99, but nothing under $10 at that one. So the last thing I want to mention today before I head over to the Today Cafe and try that out regarding snacks, if you buy your pass or your ticket with the American Express card, you get access to the American Express Lounge right behind me here, over here by Donkey's Photo Finish. You can get granola bars, chips, and water for free, which I'm gonna do right now. So we have about an hour and a half before opening. A small line is building. I think I will go ahead and get in line. And look who's showing up to the premiere of the Today Cafe. Wait, she's not. She's still going. Come back, Marilyn. I have a table all saved for you. Okay guys, I just got done with my Today Cafe lunch or dinner, and I'm here with Theme Park Ohana. They're helping me out. Let's start, ladies first. What did you have and how did you like it?
I had the traditional, which is just a Caesar salad. It was very good. They had giant chunks of the Parmesan Regano cheese, like fresh shredded. So good.
Okay, Mrs. Theme Park Ohana. Yes. Now, your entree wasn't that crazy, but you had some good desserts.
Yes, I did. The first one I had was the strawberry cheesecake pop, which was so good. It even had like gold, it was Gryffindor themed. It was gold, red and gold. And it reminded me of those good humor pops that you have as a kid with like the strawberry crumbles on the outside. Tasted just like that.
But one wasn't enough for you, was it?
Of course not, because this is me. I also had the chocolate cream puff, and I'm kind of glad I got two because I really didn't like the cream puff that much.
Oh, okay.
It was, and I'm a chocoholic, the pastry was very dry. I don't know if they just cooked them a little too long or what, but that, I only ate half of it.
Very smart of you, a wise woman to have a backup dessert.
Oh yeah.
I need to take up that habit. Now, as for my entree, I had what's called the Bulls and the Bears. It's like a brisket, a beef brisket, and it was amazing. I loved it so much. It's gonna be my go-to. I may not ever try anything else here. Because once I find one thing I like, I kind of stick with it. But, oh, and the bread on that was so delicious as well. It was outstanding. I loved it. I highly recommend that one. If you like briskets, very good. Don't pass it up. As for dessert, I went with like kind of a simple dessert. It was like confetti cake. It was very good.
A lot of icing.
It was sweet. It was rich. Nothing outstanding about it, good or bad. You know, it was a cake. So, pretty good. What did you think about the theming of the actual eatery?
I think they did fantastic. It was it's nice and light and airy in there. And I love how the windows next to us look like they can open up to become just one giant patio
Exactly.
space.
On a nice day, they can open that all the way up.
Yeah, and you have a great view of the parade as it comes by.
Yes, indeed. A great spot to sit either like breakfast or lunch or dinner because they have the parade in the afternoon, but throughout the day, they have the NBC brass band.
Oh yeah, with the dancers.
Yeah, they'll play there.
Yeah.
So that's a good spot for like an outside patio dining.
Yeah.
Totally. So like I said earlier, today was the pass holder preview. Tomorrow is going to be a soft opening. They do not know how many days they're going to soft open, and they're not sure of the grand opening yet. It depends on how well or bad the soft openings go. So stay tuned. Okay guys, that's gonna do it today for our little snack search. Under $10. I think we found a few good items. And also our first trip into the Today Cafe. I cannot wait to come back with Nikki and try a few different things. That's gonna be exciting. And with that being said,
don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun.
And now, it's time to relax. But first, how about some viewer shout outs? This is how I say thank you to those viewers who have visited my coffee page and bought us a cup of coffee or a butterbeer recently. First up, a big thank you to Kevin and Maria. Thanks for supporting the channel, guys. Next up, a coconut smile to Erica, who will be visiting Universal in November. And also, I'd like to thank Alejandro. Alejandro will be here in June for Disney World and then back in October for Halloween Horror Nights. Sounds like fun. And lastly for today, someone who found a hidden Ricky in one of the videos, Rebecca. And she has a birthday coming up. Happy birthday, Rebecca.